What's the meaning of Alf Ramsey? Alf Ramsey. Alf Ramsey. Alf Ramsey. Alf Ramsey. Alf Ramsey.
Alf Ramsey was a former English footballer and coach, best known for his role as the manager of the England national football team that won the 1966 FIFA World Cup. He was considered as one of the greatest managers in English football history. Ramsey was known for his tactical expertise and discipline, which helped him guide England to their first and only World Cup triumph. His emphasis on teamwork and preparation set the foundation for future success in English football. Overall, Alf Ramsey's legacy continues to inspire football coaches and players around the world.